Welcome to 4407 Elderon Avenue. Beautifully renovated home, nicely staged. Home has a lot of features: chef's kitchen, stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, pull down faucet, air actuated garbage disposal, custom drawer, pull out drawer, stainless steel sink. House is fully staged, custom drawers, as you see, drawers here, drawers on the upper shelves. It's a nicely renovated home. Glass cabinets, remote control, lights inside the cabinet. As you can see, it has nice features to the home. Nice amenities, breakfast nook, stainless steel fridge, digital thermostat, very heating and cooling efficient, half bath on the first floor. Nice light fixtures, if you can see that light fixture. I'll turn it off in a second. Water efficient toilet. Let's see. So you can see the light fixture now. Nice custom light fixtures. Master bedroom. Very nicely set up. Huge walk-in closet. Master bath. Whirlpool tub. Custom tile. Stainless steel trim. Very nice light fixture there as well. You can see that LED fixture. Remote control ceiling fan. Very nice house. Very nicely renovated. I'm gonna go upstairs, check out the upstairs to this home. Giving you all a quick tour. Beautifully done hardwood floors. These are the original floors. It's the upstairs to the home. Large bedrooms up here, as you can see. Nice size closets up here as well. Very nicely renovated house. It's good quality work in this home. The other bedroom is actually larger than the one I just went in. This bedroom is about 14 by 27 feet, which is a huge bedroom. You can get quite a couple of pieces of furniture up here. I'm just doing a quick walkthrough. Upstairs bath, full bath. It's also nice and staged. Custom tile work. As you can see, low profile sinks. The sinks are actually up off the floor. Nice custom work in this house. We're gonna go check the basement out real quick, and I will complete our inside tour of 4407 Elderon Avenue. So the basement is wall-to-wall carpet. Got a nice little storage area here at the end of the basement steps. Just a little finished little storage area. So you got the nice little rug here. It's behind the closed double doors. Oh wow. Nice laundry room. Nice laundry wall. High efficiency front load washer and dryer. I'm sure that will get a lot of work. See, the basement is nicely finished. Got an accent wall. Oh, full bath. Same thing. Nice light fixtures. Nicely renovated. Custom tile. Full shower. You know, you can entertain pretty well in this house. Basement is fully renovated. Nice decent size. We have another bedroom down here. You know, so has a closet. We have a hallway back here. That's where our furnace room is. You know, you in the furnace room is nice and neat. Brand new system, brand new hot water tank. Everything is nice and neat. You know, nice renovation job in this house. It's the quality of the work, secured futures, production. Even under the stairs, the closet is fully finished and renovated. You know, you got your carbon monoxide detectors throughout. You know, everything is done, you know, down to every detail. This is the electric meter. You know, the house is pre-wired for cable. So everything is finished. You know. So, 4407 Elderon Avenue. That's it, folks. Thank you.